Listen, if you're watching this video right now, you're probably tired of seeing others make money in the stock market while you're stuck on the sidelines. The truth is, you don't need thousands of dollars to start building real wealth. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, with stocks trading under $1. By the end of this video, you'll have a complete list of opportunities that could potentially multiply your investment. But only if you stick around, because the best picks are coming at the end. Before we dive into these stocks, let me be crystal clear about something that most finance channels won't tell you. Penny stocks are high-risk, high-reward investments, and you should never invest money you can't afford to lose. But here's the thing, when you do your research and understand what you're getting into, these sub-dollar stocks can offer returns that blue-chip stocks simply can't match. The first opportunity on our radar is in the renewable energy sector, where disruption is happening faster than most people realize. This company is trading at just 78 cents and has recently secured contracts with major utility companies across the Midwest. Their technology focuses on energy storage solutions, which is exactly what the grid needs as we transition to more solar and wind power. Now, moving into the biotech space, there's a small pharmaceutical company trading at 92 cents that's working on treatments for rare diseases. This company has something special. They've already completed Phase 2 clinical trials with promising results, and Phase 3 is set to begin next quarter. If their Phase 3 trials succeed, we could be looking at a stock that doesn't stay under $1 for very long. Let's talk about a mining company that's flying completely under the radar at just 68 cents per share. They've secured exploration rights in a region that's shown significant deposits of lithium and rare earth minerals. With electric vehicle production ramping up globally, the demand for these materials is only going in one direction, up. The technology sector always offers opportunities, and right now there's a cybersecurity company trading at 85 cents that deserves your attention. This particular company specializes in protecting small to medium-sized businesses, a segment that's often overlooked by larger cybersecurity firms. Their subscription-based revenue model provides predictable cash flow, and they've just expanded into 3 new international markets. Here's something different. A shipping and logistics company trading at just 73 cents that's positioned perfectly for the e-commerce boom. This company operates a fleet of delivery vehicles and has contracts with several regional retailers who are trying to compete with the major e-commerce giants. Their recent earnings report showed a 62% increase in package volume compared to last year. Moving into the entertainment sector, there's a streaming technology company at 81 cents that provides white label solutions for content creators and small studios. They're not trying to be the next Netflix. Instead, they're building the infrastructure that allows others to create their own streaming platforms. This company has been steadily adding clients every quarter, and their annual recurring revenue is now approaching 8 figures. Let's talk about real estate, but not in the way you might think. There's a real estate technology company trading at 76 cents that's digitizing property management for landlords and property managers. This company is processing over $50 million in rent payments annually through their platform, and they take a small percentage of each transaction. Now, here's an agricultural technology play at just 69 cents that's working on indoor farming solutions. This company has developed vertical farming systems that use 95% less water than conventional farming and can grow crops year-round, regardless of weather conditions. They've already installed their systems in several major metropolitan areas and are in discussions with grocery chains about building farms directly adjacent to stores. There's a telecommunications infrastructure company trading at 88 cents that's building out fiber optic networks in underserved rural areas. The government has allocated billions of dollars for rural broadband expansion, and this company is positioned to capture a significant portion of that funding. What makes this particularly attractive is the recurring revenue model once the infrastructure is in place. In the consumer goods space, there's a company at 94 cents that's manufacturing eco-friendly alternatives to single-use plastics. Their products are made from plant-based materials and are fully compostable, hitting the sweet spot between functionality and environmental responsibility. Major restaurant chains and event venues are increasingly under pressure to reduce their plastic usage. Here's a fintech company trading at 79 cents that's focused on providing banking services to the unbanked and underbanked population. They offer no-fee checking accounts, early direct deposit, and other features specifically designed for people living paycheck to paycheck. Their user growth has been explosive, adding over 100,000 new accounts in the last quarter alone. Let's look at a specialty chemicals company at 71 cents that manufactures additives for the paint and coatings industry. Every building, car, and product needs protective coatings, and this company's proprietary formulations help those coatings last longer and perform better in extreme conditions. They've recently expanded into the aerospace sector, where the specifications are rigorous and the margins are significantly higher. There's an educational technology company trading at 83 cents that provides online tutoring and test preparation services. This company uses a marketplace model, connecting students with qualified tutors and taking a percentage of each transaction. They've also just launched an AI-powered adaptive learning system that personalizes the tutoring experience for each student. In the defense sector, there's a small contractor at 77 cents that specializes in cybersecurity solutions for military applications. This company has a track record of delivering projects on time and under budget, which has earned them repeat business. They've recently been awarded a 5-year contract worth over $30 million, which is several times their current market cap. Here's a healthcare services company at 86 cents that operates urgent care clinics in suburban and rural markets. Their clinics treat everything from minor injuries to flu symptoms to basic lab work, and they accept most insurance plans. The unit economics on these clinics are excellent once they reach maturity, typically within 18 months of opening. There's a water treatment company trading at 72 cents that's providing solutions for industrial wastewater management. This company's systems reduce contaminants to levels that meet or exceed EPA requirements while minimizing chemical usage. Once a system is installed, the company generates recurring revenue from maintenance contracts and filter replacements. Moving to the cannabis industry, there's a company at 91 cents that provides compliance software for dispensaries. The regulatory requirements in the cannabis industry are complex and vary by state, creating a nightmare for business owners. As more states legalize cannabis, the number of potential customers continues to grow. There's a battery technology company at 67 cents working on next-generation energy storage solutions. They've developed solid-state batteries that don't have the fire risk associated with conventional batteries. The company has filed multiple patents and is currently in discussions with several potential partners in the aerospace and medical device industries. In the sports and entertainment space, there's a ticketing technology company at 84 cents that uses blockchain technology to create verifiable digital tickets that can't be counterfeited. They've signed deals with several mid-sized venues and are in discussions with major sports franchises. The secondary ticketing market is worth billions of dollars annually, and even capturing a small percentage would be significant. Here's a robotics company trading at 75 cents that manufactures automated systems for warehouse operations. This company's robots can navigate warehouse environments, pick items, and prepare them for shipping without human intervention. They've recently secured a major contract with a regional logistics provider and are using that as a reference customer to pursue larger opportunities. There's a media company at 89 cents that owns and operates niche websites focused on specific hobbies and interests. These sites generate revenue through advertising, affiliate commissions, and digital product sales. People passionate about their hobbies actively seek out quality content and are willing to spend money on related products. Before we wrap up, I need to emphasize something crucial that applies to every single stock I've mentioned today. These are speculative investments, and you need to do your own research before putting any money at risk. Look at the financial statements, understand the business model, and never invest more than you're willing to lose completely. The opportunities I've shared today represent different sectors and risk profiles, but they all share one thing. They're trading under $1 with potential catalysts on the horizon. The key to success with penny stocks is patience, research, and position sizing. Don't put your entire portfolio into any single stock, and be prepared to hold for longer than you might expect. If you found value in this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next stock analysis. Drop a comment below, letting me know which of these stocks you're most interested in researching further. Remember, we're all here to learn from each other and make better investment decisions.